When planning a trip to Walt Disney World, selecting the right hotel can greatly enhance your vacation experience. Marriott Hotels and Resorts is among our favorites, offering a range of benefits that make them a top choice for many travelers. Known for their exceptional service, luxurious amenities, and convenient locations, Marriott properties ensure a comfortable and memorable stay. In this video, we'll explore some of the best Marriott hotels near Walt Disney World, highlighting their proximity to the Disney theme parks, amenities, and their room rates. Before we get started, now is a good time to make you aware of a hotel booking website that we have recently started using. Planin.com is a fairly new site that offers travelers savings of up to 40% on their stays at over 2 million hotels worldwide, including those near Walt Disney World. So if you're considering taking a trip in the near future, you might want to sign up now to see what discounts are being offered. Scan this QR code or check out our link in the description below to create a free membership account and get started. Located within minutes to the Walt Disney World theme parks, the JW Marriott Orlando Bonnet Creek offers a luxurious and convenient stay for park visitors. This resort features a rooftop terrace with stunning views of the nightly Disney fireworks, a rejuvenating spa, and a family-friendly pool area complete with a splash pad for kids. One of the standout features of this hotel is the amenity deck, offering a variety of recreational options designed to enhance your stay. Located on the 6th floor, this outdoor space is thoughtfully crafted to appeal to guests of all ages, blending fun activities with scenic views. Features include a 9-hole miniature golf course, rock climbing wall, and children's playground. The amenity deck also ties into the resort's broader family-friendly offerings, complementing indoor spaces like the Kids' Conservatory Lounge on the same floor, where younger guests can unwind with books, games, or crafts. Dining options include a variety of on-site restaurants serving everything from casual bites to gourmet meals. The modern, elegantly designed rooms ensure a comfortable stay, with room rates starting from around $400 per night, depending on the season. Situated just outside the Walt Disney World Resort, the 200-acre Orlando World Center Marriott is a perfect option for families and thrill-seekers alike. This resort features a massive 400,000-gallon heated lagoon pool with zero-entry access, sun shelves, and plenty of lounging space. It features a slide tower with two 200-foot water slides and a 90-foot speed slide, plus a nightly laser light show visible from pool view rooms. A standout amenity is the River Falls Water Park, which features a 575-foot lazy river, 7 water slides, and a kids' splash zone with a small slide and water play elements. Right on site is the Hawks Landing Golf Club. Hawks Landing features an 18-hole championship golf course designed by Robert Cup Jr., with an on-site Orlando Golf Academy for lessons or practice. Fitness enthusiasts can take advantage of the state-of-the-art fitness center, while food lovers can explore a wide array of dining options, including Italian, Japanese, and American cuisines. Room rates start from around $200 per night. Less than 2 miles from Walt Disney World, the Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. The resort's 4.6-acre glass atrium, divided into themed areas like St. Augustine, Key West, and the Everglades, is filled with lush landscapes, fish-filled lagoons, and even an alligator exhibit, creating an immersive Florida experience. At the heart of the resort is the Cypress Springs Water Park, an exclusive guest amenity featuring a zero-entry pool, a 35-foot Florida free fall drop slide, racing Tamiami Twister slides, and the Crystal River Rapids Action River, alongside a multi-level treehouse playground and a kids' splash area. For relaxation, the South Beach-inspired outdoor pool oasis includes private cabanas and a whirlpool spa, while the Relic Spa provides a full menu of treatments like massages and facials in a serene, Florida-themed setting. Dining is a highlight with 9 on-site options, ranging from the upscale Old Hickory Steakhouse to the casual Villa de Flora buffet, complemented by Socio's Cuban-inspired cocktails and Moore's seafood-focused menu, plus a Starbucks and poolside bar. Recreation extends to a fitness center, daily family-friendly activities like scavenger hunts and live entertainment, and a game room, while business travelers benefit from 500,000 square feet of meeting space, including the expansive Florida Exhibition Hall. Room rates at the Gaylord Palms start from around $250 per night, depending on the time of year. For those who want to stay right in the heart of the magic, the Walt Disney World Dolphin, the Walt Disney World Swan, and the Walt Disney World Swan Reserve are excellent choices. Located on Disney property, these three resorts are just a short walk from Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. The Dolphin and the Swan are immediately adjacent to one another and share amenities. Together, they offer 5 pools across their sprawling grounds, including the standout Grotto Pool with its waterfall, waterslide, and whirlpools, set in a tropical environment with a white sand beach nearby. 2 lap pools, a spring pool, and a kiddie pool round out the aquatic options, with cabanas available for rent and poolside service from the Cabana Bar and Beach Club. For relaxation, the Mandara Spa provides an array of treatments like massages and facials in an Asian-inspired setting, complemented by 2 health clubs equipped with modern fitness gear and group classes. Recreation extends to a game room, jogging trails, basketball and volleyball courts, and swan-shaped paddleboat rentals on Crescent Lake. Dining is a major draw, with 23 restaurants and lounges shared between the 2 properties. Highlights include the upscale Shula's Steakhouse and Todd English's Blue Zoo at the Dolphin, offering premium cuts and creative seafood, respectively, while the Swan features Il Mulino New York Trattoria for rustic Italian and Kimonas for sushi and karaoke. Casual options like the Fountain's ice cream and burgers, Fuel's grab-and-go snacks, and Garden Grove's family-friendly fare keep things diverse. Practical amenities enhance the experience and include complimentary water taxis and shuttle buses provide seamless access to all Disney parks as well as walking paths to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, adding flexibility. Guests also enjoy Disney perks like early theme park entry, extended evening hours, and advanced Lightning Lane booking, plus free parking at the theme parks with a room key. Depending on the time of year, room rates start from around $250 per night. The newest addition to the Disney property hotels is the Walt Disney World Swan Reserve. Opened in November 2021, this 14-story tower features 349 rooms, blending residential-style comfort with boutique decor. The outdoor pool, though smaller than some sister properties, comes with a hot tub, and guests can access the Swan Reserve Health Club's modern fitness equipment. Beyond its own offerings, the Swan Reserve shares the extensive facilities of the adjacent Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin. The signature restaurant El Mare serves Mediterranean-inspired dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with a buffet option at breakfast. Grounds, a quick-service spot, offers coffee, sandwiches, and snacks, while Stir provides lobby-level cocktails and Tangerine poolside bar delivers refreshing drinks. With 90,000 square feet of meeting space, it's also a convention-friendly spot. Yet its modern vibe appeals to families and luxury seekers alike, offering a balance of Disney magic and Marriott polish. Room rates at the Swan Reserve start from around $350 per night, depending on the time of year. Each of these Marriott hotels offers unique amenities and convenient access to Walt Disney World, ensuring a magical and memorable stay. Whether you're looking for luxury, family-friendly activities, or a serene retreat, there's a Marriott hotel near Disney that's perfect for you. Be sure to use our affiliate link in the description below when making your reservations.